This is iHair, where I live. This is the big house. I call it the White House, even though it's kind of blue. And this is Eric. Say hello, Eric.
Hello.
Eric's my friend here at iHair. See?
Yes.
The main entryway. This is Edgar.
Hola.
Hola, Edgar. And that's Grace in her office. Always working. And some offices. And up the stairs, there's more offices. So, but we're going to go to my room. You go through the door into the auditorium and past the kitchen. This is where I eat breakfast. Oh, and then outside here, this is where you can wash my clothes, things. So back through the kitchen and up the stairs. And down the hallway. Oh, see, here's the bathroom. See? And my room. See? So it's a nice big room with table and closet, window, and 2 beds in case someone wants to come visit. Hint, hint. So that's my room. And then go back to down here, so you can see the living room, where I hang out with another flight of stairs. And this is the living room. So there's a TV that I can watch, stereo, and also a little sink, mini kitchen, so you can make breakfast and things in here. So this is the house. Hasta luego.